Welcome to the Den of Tools.
How you doing, guys and gals? This is Jeff King. Welcome back to the Den of Tools. And today, Aki asked me to do a video review. They sent over this, in fact, this is a paid sponsored review, believe it or not, of their mini screwdriver set. And I'm going to go over and show you all the ins and outs, the good and the bad. I'm not going to tell you whether you should buy it because it's a paid sponsorship, so you can figure that out for yourself. But I'm going to at least demo it, and I'm going to show you some of the things that I thought were good, some of the things that I saw were bad-ish, things I don't like about it. And at the end, you can figure out whether you like it or not for yourself. So let's jump on, let's get hands-on with it and see what you think. We've got the Fanttik Next C1 Pro and the Fanttik X5. So, this is for another video. But this is the one we're talking about today. It's an interesting case. Nice, hard, sturdy case. Kind of sharp edges, to be honest. Believe it or not, you press in one side, pops out. There's a retention mechanism right there. There's another end down in there somewhere. And this gives you your basic screwdriver set. So this is looking like basic Phillips. So now watch this. Press down on the end, it pops out. Why? They're magnetic. You just gotta love that. Not always perfect. All right. Let's pry this little bugger out. Now this is just a screwdriver. Now it does have a swivel right there. So when you use it like this, get it in your hand, you use it like that and it pivots against your palm. We're gonna use the basic screwdriver here. And this comes in here and just see that? It just sucks it right in there. So we come in here. All right. Oops. See, and that's what's nice too. I put them in there, nothing falls out. All right. Here. Excellent knurling right in there. I don't know if you can see it. Really do your nails with it. It's nice. As far as the screws and drivers in here, so we got Phillips. And we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sets of Phillips. That is security bit. And there's a picture right there so you can see what it is. Star, star. I've never seen that bit. Flat, flat, flat. Security star, security star, security star, 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 star. There's a security triangle. We see these a lot on batteries, as well as the security stars. This is another one that's interesting. You see, that's what it takes to knock them out. Everything in its place. So I can get it to pop out, but I had to really shake it vigorously. We drop it. Well, it's not that good. You're still going to lose bits. But all in all, it's a pretty nice set. Oh. All right, so we got here a Postmortem. It's on the tabletop here. You can see there's the case right there, and you can see right through it there. So this is just an aluminum case. Here's the end that holds, that clicks in. There's nothing much to it. And this is the other end. And it seems like there was some sort of glue. I don't know if it was a CA glue or something right there. But there's a double click bracket here and that this piece goes into. Now, as far as fixing it, you snap it into place. You take this, and I'm trying to figure. I wonder if it matters which end. Yeah, there's a groove on this end. You can kind of see. So then this just presses into that, and that. Let's see if this works. There we go. Well, there you go. There you have. That's the hands-on, review, the good, the bad, the ugly. We showed it all to you. Full transparency on this thing. As I said, there were things I didn't like about it. It's not designed to be carried every day kind of thing for you. It's designed to be a designer showpiece. It's fabulous. Oh, do I look good? I look good with it, right? The edges are sharp. I did actually manage to cut myself handling this thing, but I was trying to demonstrate how sharp it was, and I did cut myself on it. The magnetic part, excellent. The ease of use, the getting the bits in and out. I got big grubby fingers and paws, and it's hard for me to do little detail stuff. I didn't have a problem getting things in and out. It works kind of well. You press on the front of it, it tips up. You pop it out, it works fine. I got my buddy is desperately hoping that I'm not going to use this because he's already said that he has called dibs on it, and I might let him have it. I like it, but I don't think I like it that much. I have some other sets that I'm used to that I use for detail kind of work, but at the end of the day, it's up to you. Are you looking for something designer? I mean, it's not just designer, it does good work. And let's be honest, I thought it would be designer at designer prices. And as you can see there, it's designer at discount Amazon prices. I mean, $30 I thought was a pretty good deal. And they got the coupon, takes another 20% off, $20. And that takes it down, what, $6, $24? That's a pretty good deal on something like that. It's got the knurling on it like I like, and I've got that thing for knurling and stuff. But what do you think? Let me know down in the comments. Is this a kind of set that would tempt you? Have you been looking for a set like this? Christmas, for dear old dad or grandpa or somebody who, you think would like some of this. I can see this as a cool Christmas present. That's definitely where I think this would weigh in. They actually sent us a second set as I hinted in the video, so we're going to take a look at that one. That one is powered, so we're going to check that one out later in the week. Anyway, that's all I've got for you today. Again, let me know what your thoughts are down in the comments while you're down there. Don't forget to chomp the old like button, smash the subscribe, ring the bell on the way out. You all take care, God bless, and as always, shine on.